Hey guys, it's me Alan Savio, a student of computer science from Tirumala Engineering College, and I'm here to speak of why I want to be an MSP and what qualifies me to be an MSP. Coming to why I want to be an MSP is because Microsoft Student Partner Program is provided by Microsoft to students to explore the latest technologies available in Microsoft, to interact with the various professionals out there, to improve your social networks, and to create many apps for the marketplace. Well, what qualifies me in being an MSP is I have good communication skills by which I can give good seminars. I have good technical knowledge by which I can create good apps for the store. Well, and I would be greatly honored to work as a student representative for Microsoft. Well, coming to the latest technologies which Microsoft has been developing recently is the Windows 8 operating system. Well, the boot speed of Windows 8 is nearly 70% faster than the previous version, that's Windows 7. It has three types of authentication, that's text password, pin password, and picture password. The picture password is a good addition for secure authentication in Windows 8. Well, when you log in, the first thing you'll notice is its Metro style UI graphic user interface, which is dynamic. It keeps updating its styles, and keeps you updated with latest information. Well, the start screen doesn't have the search bar, doesn't mean you can't search anything. Just type anything uh, on the keyboard and you'll find the results to be shown on the right hand side. Then it has an advanced file managing system which suspends the processes when the process is suspended. It effectively manages the CPU memory. Then next is you're having USB 3.0 support, which is nearly transfers data at the rate of 5 GB per second, which is 10 times faster than USB 2.0. And next is it has Internet Explorer 10, which is integrated for touchscreen devices. It has touch and ARM support. It is having access to Windows Store. It can sync with Windows Live ID, and it has USB on the go. USB on the go is loading your operating system into a USB and replicating it on any other system containing Windows 8. Well, it is having even Windows 8 also has a refresh and reset button. By refresh, you can refresh to a previously well-known configuration of Windows. And by resetting, you reset your Windows to a starting factory settings. So with this, I would like to end my session. Thanks for listening. Signing off, Alan.